Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can actually fetch all the food information in the homepage. We can actually show foods in the homepage so that people can order it. Okay, so let's go. Here you can see this is the dashboard and we have login and sign up option. So currently, we don't need to actually log in to actually check the food option here. So I actually accidentally removed the section. Here we had a section when we implement the design. If I go to the public folder, if I go to the index.php, not really, sorry, what it is, user, right? Index.html here you can see. If I open it with the live server, you can actually open it in your browser through double click. Here you can see there is an option, uh, events at the food hunt. So from here, people can actually order it, right? Here you can see $5, $12, and the title, food title, food name, and then little description with the image and with the div, right? Card. Okay. So I accidentally remove this, but I will add it now because I have the raw file. So if you follow my video step by step, you should have this file in your public folder in user folder. Okay. Inside public folder, you have you should have user folder and then index file. So you just have to open this file and what we will do, we'll actually uh, let me just select this section name. So this section name is what? This one. And this is the food event. Okay, so we will actually copy this. Okay, copy this event and the food. We'll copy this text. And what we'll do, we'll go to the code editor and we'll press Ctrl plus F and then paste it and press enter, and you will find this block section. So basically, we actually have to, I mean, keep this block section. We have to copy this block section. So I'm going to copy it, this block section. Ctrl C. We don't need this HTML index.html. What we have to do, we have to actually go for the resources, then views, then the home.blade.php, because we have shown here, right? Home.blade.php. But here you can see it extend a main design. So we have to go to the main design, and here we'll actually paste it. Fire after the header and then about section, we have gallery section. So after the gallery section, actually I don't need the gallery section right now. If we need it, we'll actually add it through our, we'll add it from our raw design. The index.html file. Okay, because we have that file, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it and I'm going to paste it here. What I have just copied few seconds ago, and here you can see the block section. So I have paste the block section here, and now let's check our project and let's refresh it. We should find here a, yes, here you can see we find here, and this is the food gallery. Okay, we can actually no problem. This is the about section. Actually, I don't want to keep about section here, so let's remove the about section from here. So let's remove the about section from the main design. Let's go refresh. We can actually create separate about section, right? About this. Okay, so this is our menu. So here I am going to add this option from here, our menu. Okay, so I will go here. So this is the our menu gallery, and okay, here we can actually just show the image. Okay, because it's an image gallery, so I'm going to show here only image. So let's skip it, and then we have a block section here, events at the food hunt. Okay, so I am going to keep it. So here you can see we have some dummy data, right? Here you can see all the div. So uh, basically, this is the food item and this is the juice item. So we have only food item, right? So we don't need the juice and food item. What we will do is we will actually remove this. Okay, block section, right? table content. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. Okay, all right. Now let's refresh our menu. Yes, now it's look good. These are menu for now. Okay, so I have just included this block section and I have removed about section. Okay, that's it. Okay, and now here you can see here we have some dummy text, right? Some dummy image, some dummy title and little description with the price. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep only one div, okay, and rest of them will be deleted. So let's go and remove them, because we'll actually run here for each loop so that we can actually show it from the database, because our database can have multiple data, right? Multiple food we can have, right? So we are not going to show here dummy data. We will fetch all the data from the database. So I need only one div, and after that I will use for each loop so that it runs multiple time and show all the food data from the database. Here, let me check all the div is correctly done here or not. So this is for this. Okay, done. And now if I go here, if I refresh, we can see there is only one div left here. All right. Now I will actually fetch all the data here. We'll not go do anything here. We'll go for the controller. At first, I will go for the routes to check that from which route we will visit this page. Okay. So if I go to the routes web.php, here you can see there is no such a route which will actually return the main.blade.php. Only a route, it will actually go for the index, right? Route function is index. So if I go to the app, then user controller, then we have to go to the HTTP controllers and then user controllers, and then here you can see it will actually return home view. So there is no such a route, or there is no such a function which will actually return this main.blade.php. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually yield from the home page. Okay, so we'll actually copy this div from here, a single div. So this is the block section. So this is a row. So this is for the juice. So we don't need the juice div, right? So let me remove this juice div, juicy div. Okay, and we have this row. Then everything is all right. And then we have this one, this div, and this div, and this div for this div. Okay, done. So we have here only single row. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy and cut this from here. Why? Because I will actually paste it in the home page. Okay, home.blade.view. Okay, here you can see, because there is no such a route or function that will actually return this main.blade.php. Then how actually I can show all the food information here, right? So what you have to do, you have to go for the home. Here you can see home view. So let's go. We know our home view is inside resources, then views, then home.blade.php. And here in the section, here you can see we have a section here, home. We'll paste it here. That's it. Not here really. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, done. And let me remove the space. Okay, no problem. All right, done. And here you can see these are dummy value, right? So I'm going to paste all the, I'm going to show all the information, food information from the database. So I will go to the HTTP controllers, app, HTTP controllers, user controllers. Here you can see this is the default route, right? And from here, actually, I'm going to compact the food result. So here we have import, we have to actually use the food module. So let's add the module use app backslash models backslash food FWD. Okay, and now I can actually access the food, all the food information. So here I'm going to say $foods is equal to food colon all. I'm going to show all the data, and here I'm going to compact the result. So I'm going to say compact the food result, and that is foods. So here you can see it's a dollar sign, but we will not use here dollar sign because of this single quotation. So it will actually now go to the home view with foods value, right? And here I'm going to show, I'm going to remove all the dummy value, and I'm going to show from the foods. So here we need a for each loop, right? Because we can have multiple foods in our database. So here I'm going to show here all the information. So I'm going to say for each, add for each, break syntax, and here I'm going to pass, I'm going to say here dollar foods, because I have passed here foods information from the user controller. Here you can see foods, compacted, right? Okay. So here you can see we have foods as, I will say food, and we will show it here. And at first I'm going to end the for each after this div. So I'm going to say end for each. Done. And here we had image, right? And we know our image is inside what we have to use here, route. Not really, we have to use here asset, right? Because asset will target public folder and it inside user, right? No, not really. Let me check. We have to go to the public folder, and we have food image, right? Okay. So here we have a folder that is food image, food underscore img slash, then dot, then we have food here with the image. So I will say food image underscore image, because food image is the column name, okay, from the database. Let me check. Here you can see if I go to the food table, and we have food image, right? And that's it. Now we will actually paste this inside alter, so that if image accidentally delete, it shows the image name. That's it. And now we'll go for the cart body, and inside cart body here you can see header one, and that is price, right? Okay. And here I'm going to use price. So I'm going to copy it, because this is the bread syntax, we have to keep it. And here I'm going to just say food price, because the column name is food price. And then we have a title, so food name. So let's paste here, and we'll just change it to food name, food underscore name. And this is the food description. So I'm going to say here food description, paste food underscore details, right? Details. Let me check food name, food details. Yes. Now done. So let's check. Okay. And here I'm going to refresh. A syntax error. In which line? We have four, in 4 lines. Okay. So okay. So this one. Food as, okay. So dollar food. We have to use dollar food. Okay. Dollar food. That's it. Now let's refresh it. Should work. Where is the menu? I mean, it should show here, right? Okay. So this is the section home. Okay. So what I have to do, I have to go to the main design, and here I have to yield the home section. I haven't actually yielded it. So here you can say I haven't yielded the section here. Okay. So I'm going to say that this block section here, I'm going to yield it. Okay. I'm going to say yield the section name, and that is home, right? That is home. If I go here, you can see home. Now it will show. If I refresh, it should show here. Here you can see it's showing all the information. And you can see it's showing, in a column wise. I want to actually show them in a row wise. So let's change something. We can do here. Okay, let me just cut it from here. We'll actually show it inside row. Oops. So we'll actually show it inside row. Okay. So that it shows in the same row, not in different rows. So when I use use this outside of this row, so that time it will actually show on, in a single row, and then it will go for the next row. Okay. So we should keep inside the row. All right. Now let's check. If I refresh, it should show row wise. So it's working perfectly. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.